For demonstration, here we have 20 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches, multiple of 6, 3 times 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18, and plus 2 edge stitches, 20. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Yarn over, knit together from back loop. For this twist is first stitch, knit together from back loop, knit to 1, 2, knit together from front loop, yarn over. That's a repeat from here to here. Yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 2, knit together from front loop, yarn over. This is 6 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern. How much to have? Yarn over. Now here we have 2 yarn over stitches, knit together from back loop, knit to 1, 2, knit together from front loop, yarn over. One more time. Yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit to 1, 2, knit together from front loop, yarn over. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. In this row, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Second row, and every wrong side rows we make same, pull these all stitches. Here we have 2 purl stitches and we make yarn over stitches, and we make 2 purl stitches from these 2 yarn over stitches. First we purl this way and second we purl this way. Now here we have 2 purl stitches from 2 yarn over stitches. Purl these another stitches, again 2 yarn over stitches. First we purl this way and second we purl this way. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row, right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1. One more time. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, now knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1. Knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our half pattern is also completed. Now we again repeat these 4 row, but in this row we shuffle this pattern. Now this pattern goes there and this pattern goes here. So row 5 right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, knit together from front loop, 2 times yarn over, 1, 2, knit together from back loop, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. knit 1, knit together, 2 time yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern how much जो है knit 1, knit together from front loop, 2 time yarn over, 1, 2, knit together from back loop, knit 1. One more time, knit 1, knit together from front loop, 2 time yarn over, 1, 2, knit together from back loop, knit 1. Here we complete 3 time repeat pattern last edge knit edge from right side. 5th row is completed of 6th row wrong side. Again purl these all stitches. Here we have 2 yarn over stitches. First we purl this way. Now second we purl this way. Again 2 yarn over stitches. First we purl this way and second stitch we purl this way. Now again here we have 2 yarn over stitches. First we purl this way and second stitch we purl this way. Purl edge from wrong side. 7 row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. how much जो है knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit one more time, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop, and knit edge from right side. 7 row is completed. Now 8 row wrong side. Again purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 8 rows, and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and also fan. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.